What is quadratic inequality? Contains a polynomial of degree of 2 and can be written in the forms ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0, may be greater than 0, less than or equal to 0, or greater than or equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Use of inequality symbols such as less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. If ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0, the solution is x is less than the first root or x is greater than the second root. Using the number line representation, so that becomes first root and second root. So this is greater than and less than. So it means wala siyang shade yung circle, and then yung value of the first root going to the left, and then second value of the root going to the right. Second, ax squared plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0. So the solution, x is less than or equal to the first root or x is greater than or equal to the second root. Kung i-compare natin yan dun sa unang number line representation, this one, yung first root and second root may shaded part because the given is greater than or equal. And then yung shaded part, extreme. Yung first root going to the left and then second root going to the right side. How about the third one? Ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0. X is greater than the first root and x is less than the second root. It means in a number line representation, we have the value for the first root and second root that is no shade. So walang shade, but then the shaded part of the number line representation is yung nasa gitna. How about ax squared plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0? X is greater than or equal to the first root and x is less than or equal to the second root. So it means kung tititigan natin yung value, we have the first root and second root. So may shade yung first root, may shade yung second root, but then yung shaded part yung nasa gitna. Let us write the interval notation for each region in the number lines. So we use parentheses to indicate that the boundaries are not included. We use brackets if the boundaries are included. So it means if that is included, that is bracket. If that is not included, parentheses. In the given, if that is -1 and then +3, so -1 and +3, so not included, so walang shade. Second part of the number line representation, -1 and +3. This one is included, kaya may shaded part. Kung kunin natin yung interval from -infinity up to -1, from -1 up to +3, from +3 to +infinity. We use brackets if the boundaries are included, from -infinity up to -1, from -1 to +3, from +3 to +infinity. Next, if we need to identify, so -1 may shade, yung +3 wala. So it means -infinity, bracket, dahil may shade, that is -1, bracket, -1 up to +3, that is parentheses, and then close parentheses from +3 to +infinity. Solve the inequality x squared minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. First, we need to write it in equal. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So using factoring, let us find the factor. So the product is 6. Think a factor of 6 that the total is 5. So 2 and then 3. 2 times 3, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. So it means the answer is -2 and -3. So -2 times -3 is +6. -2 minus 3, that is -5. So the factors are x minus 2 and then x minus 3 equals 0. So the solution to solve for x, change the sign, x is equal to +3. X minus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to +3. So let us test the points. If the given graph that is from +2 to +3, so walang shade, that is greater than. So +2 and +3, walang shade. If that is greater than, alam natin the +2 going to the left and then +3 going to the right. So first, we need to identify para ma-justify natin kung ito ba talaga yung may shaded part. Let us replace the value of x by 0. So yung 0, nandito sa part na to. 0 times 0 is 0, minus 5 times 0 is 0 plus 6. So that is 0 minus 0 plus 6. 0 minus 0 is 0 plus 6, that is 6 greater than 0. That is 6 greater than 0. So it means yung part na to is true. Next, let us replace the value by 5. So nasa yung part ng 5? Nandito sa part na to. If we replace the value of x by 5, pwede naman 4, 6, 7, pero ang ginamit ko is positive 5. 5 times 5 is 25, minus 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 minus 25 plus 6 greater than 0. 25 minus 25 is 0. So 0 plus 6 is 6 greater than 0. So it means that is true. So kitang-kita natin using the test point na yung shaded part is going on the left and then going on the right side. So katulad ng rule natin, if that is greater than, mula sa circle, going to left and right. In the given x squared minus 8x plus 7 greater than or equal to 0. So that becomes x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. So let us get the factor. Think the product that the total, if we add, that is negative 8. If that is 7 times 1, correct, 7. If we add 7 plus 1, 8. So it means negative 7 and negative 1. Negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7. Negative 7 minus 1, that is negative 8. So the factors are x minus 7 and x minus 1. So let us solve for x. First, x minus 7 and then x minus 1. X minus 7 is equal to 0, so x equals 7. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so it means x is equal to 1. So, using the number line representation, so mas mababa yung 1, so 1 and then 7. So may shade siya because our symbol for the inequality is greater than or equal. So gamitin natin yung equation na naka-factored form. Let us replace all the value. Choose the number before 1. So pinakamadali is 0. So let us try 0. 0 minus 7 and then 0 minus 1. 0 minus 7 is negative 7. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Negative times negative is positive 7 greater than 0. So that is true. So it means itong part na to before 1 ay may shaded part. So let us try naman yung the right side. So gamitin ulit natin yung factored form. Let us replace the value of x after 7. So pwede 8. 8 minus 7 and then 8 minus 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7 greater than 0. So that could be mean as true. So kung true yung left and right, ibig sabihin yung shaded part is before 1 and then after 7. In the given x squared minus 5x minus 6 less than or equal to 0, so that becomes x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. So think a factor that the product that is equal to negative 6 and the sum is negative 5. Kung 2 and negative 3, negative 6. Pero 2 and then negative 3, that is negative 1, so mali. So pwede yung negative 6 and 1. So let us try. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1, that is negative 5. So the factors are x minus 6 and then x plus 1. So what could be the solution? X minus 6 is equal to 0, so x equals positive 6. X plus 1 is equal to 0, so x equals negative 1. So using the number line representation, so negative 1 and positive 6. So mag-test points tayo. So pwede nating ipalit yung mga test points. So pwedeng naka-factored form para madali. X minus 6 and then x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So, pwede tayo mag-test points that is negative 2. So, negative 2 minus 6 and then negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 minus 6, that is negative 8. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8 less than or equal 0. So, it means after the negative 2 false. Next, so itong part na to false. How about another given? So, test ulit tayo ng points. Gamitin natin yung naka-factored form. Let us try after 6, that is 9. So, 9 minus 6, and then 9 plus 1. So, 9 minus 6, the answer is equal to 3. 9 plus 1, the answer is equal to 10. 3 times 10 is 30, less than or equal to 0. Again, false ulit siya. So, yung value natin dito na pinili as a test point is false. On the right side is also false. So, it means the shaded part is in between. Ito yung shaded part. So the shaded part, so obviously this is -1 up to +6. What could be the inequality notation? So it means x is greater than or equal to -1 and x is less than or equal to 6. So it means pag pagsasamahin natin yan, x is greater than or -1, x is greater than or equal to -1, but less than or equal to 6. How about this one? X squared plus 9x minus 10 less than 0. So that becomes x squared plus 9x minus 10 equals 0. So think a factor that the product is -10 and the sum is 9. So kung 5 and 2, hindi, pag inad natin yung 5 and 2, that is 7. Pag sinubtract natin yung 5 and 2, that is equal to 3. So the factor is 10 times 1. 10 times 1 is 10. But then 10 plus 1 is not 9. So, pwede yon. Ibig sabihin nun, ang sign nito, 10 and then -1. So, 10 times -1 is -10. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So, the factors are x plus 10, x minus 1. So, let us solve for x. X plus 10 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to -10. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to +1. So, let us test the points using a number line representation. So, yung lower natin is -10 and then +1. So, less than yan. Ibig sabihin nun, both of them walang shade. Wala siyang equal. So, pwede tayong mag-test points. Gamitin natin yung naka-factored form para madali. So, let us replace the value of x by -11. So, -11 plus 10 and then -11 minus 1. -11 plus 10 is -1. -11 minus 1 is -12. Negative times negative is +12 less than 0. So it means this one, that is false. So wala sa left side yung shaded part. So try naman natin in the right side. So let us replace higher than 1, that is 2. 2 plus 10 times 2 minus 1. 2 plus 10 is 12. 2 minus 1 is 1. 12 times 1 is 12 less than 0. So it means false ulit. So the shaded part, false yung nasa left side. This part, yung lower than -10 is false. Nag-false din dito. So it means the shaded part is from -2, 10 up to +1.